Okay, Vikings, get ready to fly. Hey, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing line without wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth. No dragons required. Just keep moving forward. No. Forward. You know which way it's going, right? Oh, no. Could have gone way worse. You're right, bud. Maybe there'll never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. God, come on. Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. Yeah. All right, now, gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields.